So we've gone on a bit of a road trip today. We've been up very early. We've travelled 4.5 hours.
360 kilometres to Normandy.
And we're here to visit for an open day of some people you will probably know. Let's show you where we're at. Does anyone recognise where we are? It's Chateau De Lalacelle. We're here to see the family and they've got an open day. Go in and take a look at the work they've been doing. I can't wait. It's so exciting.
Considering what it was before, I don't know if anybody remembers. Go back and watch the videos on their channel of what it was when they started out. But it didn't look like this. and true to form, the lads have done, and Tracey have done a stunning job. It looks beautiful.
It really does, doesn't it? I love the staircase. The dual staircase, I think, just makes it absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, let's go in and take a look. Nobody's really about, so I'm not really sure. I think we parked around the back in the servants' entrance in the wrong place, but we've left the car there and we're just, go and see what's happening.
Subscribers. One day, my darling, one day. Maybe when we're old and grey.
Oh yeah, I'll take coffee. Thank you so much. See you later. Thank you.
Just, this is what you call pounding. What I do is not necessarily that, but these are just.
I love that, the fact that
It's distressed and dressed and distressed.
yeah,
It's beautiful.
because it gives you more vision.
You know what you've got to do. You've only just got to do it. It's a lot of work. I can nick these doors. I've got some more panelling to make. Look at them. But it's just classic. Where's all this furniture?
Brickle won't do on that brickle though. The brickle down in that. Brickle man.
This is what I saw Terry doing the other day. And he said, yeah, I've got, what was he said, 14... 15 pounds to do. 16, 17, yeah. I don't know if he's going to do it all the way around, but it's... and this is what he's been painting these. It's just sort of hanging up with everything. I'm flabbergasted. I can't believe there's all this paneling. I think it's absolutely beautiful place, and I'm so glad that they bought it and we didn't. Because if you'd have seen it,
Yeah.
you'd have bought it. I'd love to know how much that. Look, and all the battling on the ceiling. Look. All this, look, it's all laid out, all the drawings. You know, would you do that? Like a Sistine Chapel, do you lay on and think, and look, how do you scribe lines, isn't it? Like, you could do it with chalk lines, but this is drawn with a pencil.
I see that, thank you.
It's just, you know. Is there a staircase in there?
Oui, bah, quand c'est la salle de bain, elle était là. La baignoire, elle était là.
I just want to say thanks. So it's really lovely to meet you.
It's been fantastic to finally get used to as
Well,
well.
yeah, but it's just so nice to actually come and see somebody else's doing it. Yeah, somebody who's doing it like we are. All the sales and stuff like that. Is it your mum?
Yeah,
Your
so
mum,
my
yeah.
mum does.
Is she about?
She is. I think she's a car park attendant at the moment. So she's
Well, she gets all the best jobs.
yeah. Well, meet and greet, shall I say?
But it's just phenomenal to see somebody with such a vision and such an idea. And both of you, just so talented. I just think it's fantastic. I really do. And it's brilliant to come up here.
Yeah.
And just, you know, it's a long old drive for us, but absolutely worth it.
Thank you very much. At least you'll be able to get some ideas as well now.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. And the colours, I love the colours. You've done an amazing
that's
job.
She's not just out with the colours.
And the moulding, brilliant. Thank you so much for having us.
Lovely
And
to meet you, and we'll have to come see you at some point.
yeah,
Well, you're
yeah.
more than welcome, sorry, more than welcome.
Come down and stay the night or something,
Come down
yeah.
and stay. Yeah, come down and stay.
Be a little holiday for us.
Well, yeah. Yeah. We get those all the time, don't we? When we do this. Like.
Yeah, loads of little holidays, yeah.
Loads of little trips. Yeah.
We'll be able to come out. We'll come and help with mouldings.
Oh God, that would be really good.
Workaway holiday.
Moulding holiday.
Don't say it, because she'll hold you to it. She really will.
It's on film. It's on film.
Yeah, Terry, you said...
You'll regret it though. I'll come over and help you. You'll regret it.
Anyway, thanks ever so much. We'll let you get back to your guests.
Thank you very much. Thank you, mate. Thank you. Cheers. See you later.
So that's our visit to Chateau De Lalacelle, and to meet Terry, Ash and Tracey was fabulous. I think they blew me away more than anything, because they are just, we knew they would be, but just so down to earth and such lovely people. And that's why we don't get much time, do we, to watch YouTube and to follow people.
No.
And they're the only channel that we have always always supported and followed, because they just seem like such amazing people that are down to earth and like us, just doing it all themselves. And yeah,
I think Terry has an incredible vision, as I said to him, but he, you know, and that's the thing, it's not just about his vision, it's about everybody chipping in and making it happen. And you know, if he envisaged one thing, then Ash and Tracey and himself have obviously got to create that.
yeah.
And I think that's wonderful, and it's just an absolutely beautiful place to be. You know, we've never ventured this far up to Normandy, and it's a beautiful area. It's a glorious place, and I just wish them all the luck and the success in the world. But as I said to Terry, you know, do you really have to open? because you would just want to live in there. It's just
It's beautiful,
gorgeous.
and just some of the attention to detail,
Yeah.
the mouldings, the
That's
fireplaces, the
incredible,
colours, and just the bedding. When you go into the room with the bed, it's just
And
it looks
the
superb.
bathroom in the 400 is just
Yeah.
is just, you know, it's, as you say, it's visionary. It's
Yeah.
just beautiful, and I bet that man had that in his head for a long time,
Yeah.
and he's created it. And I think just by looking at the smile on his face today, that
Yeah.
you think, you know,
Well, what an
you should be
experience!
very, very, very proud.
Yeah. But as a family, what an experience to have together.
Yeah,
Something like this, to live
exactly.
your life, being able to do
Yeah,
something like this
exactly.
together and create
Yeah.
is just amazing. So, chapeau to the lot of them. They're absolutely fantastic family, and we wish them all the best of luck.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for letting us come and enjoy the day with you. That's wonderful.
Yeah.
I've
Well, I
enjoyed
hope
it.
you've enjoyed this little trip round Lalacelle, and one day, hopefully, the lads will come and see us.
Anyway, take care, everyone. We'll see you all very, very soon.
Thanks a lot.
Don't forget,
Like and
thumbs
subscribe.
up, and we'll see you soon.
See
Take
you
care.
soon. Take care.
Bye.